Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about why you should consider a job as a property manager, especially if you're trying to get into real estate. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL. Real estate explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds. Irritate. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So if you want to get into real estate, whether that's as an investor, an agent, broker, etc., one good career path to start with is a property manager. Now why? In Massachusetts, so Boston, greater Boston area, you actually don't need your broker's license to be a property manager. Therefore, you can get into it relatively quick. Now, once you become a property manager, you're going to be dealing with tenants and prospects and landlords and communicating with all sides. So what that allows you to do is allows you to get a good sense of what each person is thinking and what people come to the table with different motivations and how they like to get deals done. So this way, as you branch off in your career, you can decide, hey, I like the aspect of being a landlord. We have similar thinking. Or I like the aspect of being the agent, right? We have similar thinkings. Or maybe as an investor, and I actually don't want to deal with any of the headaches because I've seen them all from the inside out and I want no part of it, right? But a property manager is a very, very good place to start. You get to learn a lot, exposed to a lot, and you're close to the people who are making all the moves, so you can figure out what's going on next, where's a good investment, and what you can do in the future. So it's been real, it's been 90, gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.